More than 100 days have passed, but the families of 8 retired Indian Navy officers working in Qatar are still waiting for their return home. Commander, retd, Purnandu. Tiwari Captain, retd, Nutej Singh Gul. Commander, retd, Birendra Kumar Verma Captain, retd, Surbha. Vashisht Commander, retd, Sognakar Pukala Commander, retd, Amit Nagpal. Commander, retd, Amit Nagpal and Sailor Ragesh used to work in a private company called Dahra Global Technologies and Consultancy in Qatar. The families of 2 of these officers have told the BBC that they have been informed that the 8 Indian nationals were detained by the Qatari authorities on August 30th and that Naina Mega is currently in solitary confinement. It is not yet known what was the reason for the arrests. A senior editor of a media institute in Doha said that there has been no statement from the Qatari government on this matter, nor have they seen any news about it in the Qatari media. Emails sent by the BBC to Qatar's Ministry of Information, Ministry of Interior and Ministry of Foreign Affairs went unanswered. Qatar is one of the richest countries in the Middle East. The Soccer World Cup was recently held there, but questions continue to be raised about the state of human rights while the media avoids criticizing the government. According to human rights organization Human Rights Watch, criticizing the Emir of Qatar, insulting the Qatari flag and criticizing Islam are some of the major crimes in Qatar. More than 70,000 Indians work in Qatar. According to the Indian Ministry of External Affairs, more than half of the total supply of liquefied natural gas in India comes from Qatar. India's bilateral trade with Qatar was $9.21 billion in 2020. More than 6,000 large and small Indian companies operate in Qatar. In such a situation, the mysterious arrest of 8 Indian nationals, who are also ex-Navy officers, has shocked their families.